I'm not an essential worker anymore. So let's go out and let's go visit Travis Goldstein out in Thousand Oaks, looking at his place called the California Bonsai Studio. See you guys there. So we're here at California Bonsai Studio out here in Thousand Oaks. I'm just walking up here and see if I can find Travis Goldstein to help us out. Here's Travis Goldstein. How you doing, Travis?
Hey, doing good. Thanks for coming by.
So where are we technically?
We're here at California Bonsai Studio in Thousand Oaks.
Address for your place?
This is 4015 North Moorpark Road, Thousand Oaks, California.
So who do you guys service out here? I mean, you got a lot of competition in Southern Cal, so who do you guys service primarily out here in Thousand Oaks?
We've found a lot of people that are just kind of doing the hobby out on their own here, and so that's mainly what I started the thing to service. You know, it's a hobby that I love doing, so I wanted to find the other people that are doing it and help them out. You know, we have lessons and soils and tools. We've actually got the Masakuni tools here, which we're the only people in the U.S. that are authorized Masakuni dealer.
Nice. So again, he has a couple of trees out. So this is kind of his what we call the display nursery here.
Yeah,
so it's kind of the finished trees or semi-finished trees. Yeah. Can you show us a couple of trees that most of your clientele will buy on this area? Just give some people an idea, what do you have?
Well, you know, we have everything from the stuff that we have for the beginners, like some elm trees and little junipers, nice things for people to get started with. But then a lot of what we do is the pre-bonsai and nursery stock that people can work on and make their own creations out of.
Can you show us a couple of ideas, like what you have like in pots already, so people can see?
Yeah, we'll have something interesting like this that has some real character to it, but still obviously needs some work. We've got junipers like this. We've got a big collection of junipers, something like this. This one's variegated, most of them aren't, but stuff with nice, interesting trunks that somebody can go through and make their own creation.
Cool. I noticed you have about, 2 acres out here? 2-3 acres?
Yeah, 2 acres.
So can you show us a couple, your other areas of your nursery so we can,
Sure.
so people want to come out here and check what you have? So don't forget, Travis is the only authorized Masakuni dealer out in the U.S. I just found that out. That was kind of interesting.
Yeah, we've got all those listed on CaliforniaBonsai.com.
So here's
This-
some of, here's
A little more of the unshaded display area here.
So he does have a lot of items here. Here comes Colin. Colin, want to say hi?
Hey guys,
Colin.
how's it going?
What do you do here, Colin?
So I manage the nursery day to day. I teach classes every weekend here on Saturday mornings typically, as well as private lessons. We maintain the stock, we sell bonsai, we sell tools, we do all that good stuff. So I'm here every day that we're open.
Perfect. Do you want to show us a couple items, maybe some, like a beginner bonsai person will pick up?
Sure, yeah, we can take a look at a few things. So trees sort of on the front bench up here would be kind of your typical starter procumbens juniper, right? We want to do a little bit better than mulsai by our beginners. So we have quality trees, their roots have been worked, they're in high quality inorganic bonsai soil, ready to go so that somebody can have a better first experience with bonsai than what they'd get from some guy on the side of the road. All the way up to better quality sort of pre-bonsai, just making the transition to a bonsai pot. So a piece of stock like this is a San Jose juniper we've probably been growing here for nearly 10 years. That stock just saw its first bonsai pot this last potting season. It's finally starting to make that final transition.
All right.
And everything in between.
I did hear you guys are doing classes. Are you guys starting classes up again?
Yes, yeah, we're open again on weekends, and I'm here on Saturdays and Sundays for lessons. We've typically been doing private lessons because of the quarantine situation, but because we're outside, I'm kind of opened up to people just showing up anytime we're open and doing a lesson. We have beginner classes. $75 includes a beginning Procumbens juniper and a pot and a lesson if someone wants to make their own from scratch. We do a bring your own bonsai class. It's only $25 in a group setting, as long as we have less than 10 people and we're outdoors and we can stay distant. And then private lessons are available at an hour.
When are you guys open, by the way?
Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 10 to 5.
Okay, and then if someone can't make it to those times, can you do an appointment if they call you guys up?
If you call the nursery, it rings my cell phone 24/7. Don't call me at 2 a.m. if you can avoid it, but it rings my phone when we're not here, and I'd be happy to set up a time. I might even be in the area or be here on an off day, and we'd be happy to meet with you. And
Perfect. I'll leave the description below if you get people who are interested in coming out to see you guys. I'm gonna take a walk and see your nursery stock out here. Travis, thank you for your time.
Yeah, thanks for coming
We'll
by.
come back at the end. We'll talk at the end.
All right.
So, a lot of good stock. If you're looking for some pre-bonsai stock, this is kind of a way to look at. You got some crepe myrtles. That looks like a Sokoba. Oh, check out that guy out. Cork bark oak there. Big old leader. If you're looking for San Jose's, look like they're almost ready to be grafted. He has a ton of feminas. If you're looking for a femina, that's something to look at. So I found out this is the grafting wood. If you need some grafting practice, there's some junipers for about $10 that you recall. So don't quote me on the price here, people. You might want to call ahead. They do ship. So if you're looking for something like that, you got some San Jose's. They're going for about $40. So it gives you an idea of price. If you're looking for some material to work on, not a bad time to come out. I know we'll talk to Travis. I think he's having a sale sometime in the month of June. So I think when this video comes out, we'll get some more clarification. Maybe stick around. When we talk to him at the end, we'll get some more ideas about pricing. And so here's some feminas. Those look about 10 years old. Let me get a little closer to detail. Already got some pre-training in already. So talk about feminas. These things are really sharp. I have one at home, but they make really good padding, almost like Tosho junipers in Japan. They're like our cousins here, the needle juniper cousins. Here's some San Jose's are kind of pre-styled. So if you're looking something bigger, they got them here.
So these are a bunch of junipers that I started around 2008, and finally have gotten some thickness and some shape to them. They're at the point that they make a great pre-bonsai. You know, it's something that you can come through and graft, or just start putting your own style and laying your branches.
So they're really cool. I have to admit, they're good size. Give me an idea of size. They're good size, growing out for at least a good couple years. As Travis says, you know, if you graft them, they make really good trees. Remember, in pre-bonsai material, you're really looking at time. Something we'll talk about that in another episode of how to select bonsai material. But 90% of the time, what you're paying for is time. How thick they are, the movement. But it's really the time you're paying for. So that's like, you know, bonsai currency is really time.
Something like these guys. So these are out of that same batch of crepe.
So if you're looking for other materials, he has black pines. If you're looking for one, you can't really see the trunks on this one. Let me go around this way. They can show you the trunks on these guys. But you know, just size. I mean, if you're looking for size, you know, he has something for you. But yeah, but we're gonna have another episode of how to select pre-bonsai stock material from nursery stock. So that's coming up in a couple weeks. So if you guys subscribe, you might get the notification of when that one comes out. But yeah, it should be coming out soon. So yeah, he has a lot of materials out here. So we're looking out for some junipers. We got some bougainvilleas in these big, look like 15-gallon containers. Some olives. basic stuff out here. What he does have, which is really unusual, is some ball cypress. So over here, he has these massive ball cypress out here. To give you an idea of scale. Not sure if they're for sale, but you know what? I think anything's for sale. Just put a price on it. Zoom out here, give you an idea of the size. That's my hand. That's a girth. I mean, it's pretty beefy here. He has about a good dozen of them up here. Some other stuff in pots. I'm like the nursery man's worst nightmare. I like shopping. Looking at some nice olives. And these look like 24, 36-inch boxes. Geez, look at the trunk on this guy. That's beautiful. Check out that black pine. And again, if you're looking for material, Travis is gonna have some. So you're looking for more black pines? I mean, it's really good material. I mean, you're paying for time here. You got some really good. Sorry, here's a close-up. Black pine, you know, good 12 inches probably where the apex is going to end up eventually. But yeah, I mean, you got some good stuff out here. So if you're looking for stuff, you might want to come out, check it out. He is going to have a sale. Let me get over here. Oh, beautiful.
Eventually, this cut will be fine. Eventually, this will close up the top. You won't be able to tell it there. But the difference between this.
So if you're looking for some really advanced material and you're into pomegranates, he has some really nice pomegranates. So here's one of them. I can't give you an idea of, let me give you an idea of scale. There's a twisted pomegranate. You can see the really muscular turns. That's my hand. So if you're looking for really advanced material, Travis is gonna have some. Look how beautiful that looks. So just to give you an idea, he has several of these. It's been on the ground for at least 10 plus years. So if you're looking for some advanced material, you're gonna have some out here for you. He has some, if you look in the background, he has some some black pine yard trees and other materials. So if you're looking for, here's an example. If you're looking for some other type of materials, hey Travis, really quick, when are you gonna have a sale for your this nursery?
And we're gonna have the sale June 20th through the end of the month.
Perfect. And who's this young man?
This is my son River.
Oh, look at that. How old is he now?
He's 11 years old.
Look at that. It's a mini me. I love it.
Yeah.
Hey, so if you guys want to come by, I'll leave the description below. Leave a like, leave a subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys later. See ya.